People seeking asylum in the EU have their fingerprints taken to ensure against multiple applications and so that those who are rejected can be returned to the country through which they entered. Under the new redrafted legislation, data will no longer also be available to the police, even when crime scene prints haven't been matched in their own records.
They could have sent the fingerprints to redrafted database, asking for a hit or no answer. So it's not that law enforcement had real access to redrafted, pushing, writing my name and finding all data about me.
The original proposal granting limited access to the police was withdrawn when the Lisbon Treaty came into force. redrafted is one of 6 pieces of legislation needed to create a common European asylum policy, and this simplified version can be in place more quickly and cheaply. For many MEPs, it's an improvement too.
We are talking about asylum seekers and the refugees, and to combine this directly with criminal proceedings won't be a real good idea, because this would make citizens believe that all asylum seekers may be criminals, and that is not the fact.
The reasons may have been pragmatic, but civil liberties groups have welcomed the fact that the data will only be available to immigration services.
While we understand that there might be a legitimate interest on the part of the law enforcement authorities to access databases for the purpose of solving, preventing crimes, it does make people who are in the database suspect populations.
The new legislation should win Parliament approval before the summer and come into force next year.